Yes, it pays to have good credit.
You would always want to be on the side of having good credit.
Do you think it pays to have good credit? Welcome to the It Pays to Have Good Credit podcast, where we talk about credit scores, business, finances, and take calls to answer all questions related to those topics. To call in, call 225-243-9700 and press option 1 to join in. All right, let me talk to y'all for a minute about these fake business funding ads and specials that's going on the internet these days. So the first lie is a lot of people that's on these social media platforms, TikTok, Instagram Reels, all these people trying to get followers by giving false information because for some reason America or Americans don't want to listen to the truth. They want to listen to things that are untrue and make them feel better by thinking something that is impossible is correct. So the very first lie that I want to just crush real quick is you can have bad credit and just go out there and file a LLC for a fake business or a new business and just start applying for financing again under your business because your business is going to have perfect credit. That's the first lie. As a small business, first of all, you're not going to get approved for anything if you don't have a track record of income. You can't just go out and create some new business, apply for a business credit card or apply for business funding, and you have no bank statements, no tax returns, or any proof that your business has generated revenue over the last year. It's just impossible. So let's break it down even further. Let's just say your business is making money. Your business is established as a small business. You're not Amazon. You're not Tesla. You're not Elon Musk or Jeff Bezos, any of those guys, Facebook or anything. As a small business owner, you will get approved for something, but a personal guarantee will be required. And what a personal guarantee is if your business default on this account, your personal lifestyle, your finances is responsible for paying this debt back. You can't go out and apply for a car in your business name. You finance it using business credit and your small business and your personal life has nothing to do with it. That's not the case, especially if this is your first time doing so or applying for any type of business funding. Your personal credit will be used. It just is what it is. So a lot of people misunderstand the whole thing with business credit, business funding. But the main point of this episode is to talk about the dangers of business funding. If you don't understand exactly what's going on, most of these business funding companies out there, their terms suck. They make you pay back things daily, Monday through Friday. Some of these loans are like hundreds of dollars every single day that's drafted out of your account on auto draft that you can't control. For example, let's say you got approved for business funding and the loan is, $50,000. They're going to take $200, $300 a day out of this account. And most of the time they want you to repay that debt within 30 days or within 60 or 90 days. It's short-term financing. So I tell a lot of people the main important thing as a business owner when it comes to your business finances is cash flow. If you're getting money deducted every single day, which is probably the amount of money that you're able to generate every day anyway, your business would never grow if you got all of these expenses coming out every single day. It's just not going to build your business if you're not able to expand your cash flow. You may get this money up front, for a business loan, but if you're paying that back daily, that money is going to get sunk right back out anyway. So a lot of people think business funding is this big luxury thing to have. It could be if you have a plan. If something makes sense on paper and financially, then sure, go for it. But if you're just some Joe Blow out there and you establish your business credit, by the way, if you haven't understand how to establish your business credit profile, I do have previous episodes on that. So go look out for those. But anyone who have great business credit, a great business credit profile, they have wonderful personal credit scores. Yeah, if your business can use some extra marketing and you apply for business funding, I know there's one company out there that does long term. I think their name is On Deck Capital. I think they do like 12-month or 24-month terms. Like something like that is fine. And you pay things back either weekly or monthly instead of daily. But again, if you take $10,000 out for business funding, you better be making triple times that for it to make sense. If it's getting deducted every single day out of your business income, so that's just one of the traps that I advise most people to be aware of. Don't be one of those ducks out there that just thinks that you can have bad credit, file a LLC and create a new business, and boom, you got a new credit score. You can just use this business credit if your credit scores are like a 400. Now you have a business or a fake business and you can finance whatever you want to. So those are two things I want to go over in this episode. One, don't believe the lies that you cannot have good credit and just start applying for things under your business. And then number two, don't fall into this business funding trap of getting raped by some of these horrible business funding plans. So that's all in this episode. Be smart with your finances and see you on the next one. If you use credit to improve your lifestyle and would like to share your story on the It Pays to Have Good Credit podcast, feel free to reach out to us at info@sturgiscreditrepair.com. Sturgis is spelled STIRGUS, creditrepair.com.